In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I can add picture during listing in eBay Desktop. To get started, open eBay on your desktop browser. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area, where you can begin creating a new listing. From there, click on List an Item. eBay will then ask for some basic information about what you're selling. In the product field, type in your item name clearly, so eBay can suggest the best match. After that, choose your product from the results shown on screen. Picking the closest match can help fill in listing details more accurately and make the process faster. Once you've selected the product, click Continue. On the next screen, click on Select Condition and choose the condition that best describes your item. It's a good idea to be as accurate as possible here, since buyers often pay close attention to condition before purchasing. After selecting it, click Continue again to move into the full listing editor. Now you'll be on the main listing page. This is where you can add your photos. Find the Photos and Video section and click on it, then select Upload from Computer. This will open your file browser so you can choose the pictures you want to add from your desktop or folders. Make sure your images are clear, well lit, and show the item from useful angles, since strong photos can make your listing look more trustworthy and attractive to buyers. After your pictures are uploaded, continue editing the rest of your listing. Fill in the remaining details carefully, such as anything eBay still needs before the item can go live. Take a quick moment to review everything, especially your photos and item details, so your listing looks complete and accurate. When you're finished and ready to publish, click List It. Your item will then be posted on eBay with the pictures you added during the listing process.